Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lesson, we'll be building our first page, the landing page of our online music store. And we'll be using basically a Bootstrap. So basically Bootstrap is a web front-end framework developed by Twitter. So it's one of the most popular front-end framework right now. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, let's just create a folder, say my music shop, and then we go to the Bootstrap website. I think is get my wow. Just go to Google and search for Bootstrap, and then we just download it. We can just directly download this one, download Bootstrap. Okay, and then we create some new folders in our My Music Shop folder. The first one is JS, which is for JavaScript, and the second one is CSS. And then we open the downloaded zip folder. We go into this JS folder, copy this bootstrap.main.js file to our music shop JS folder, and then we go to the CSS folder, just copy this bootstrap-theme.main.css and also bootstrap.main.css, sorry, this one, and just copy it here. No, we need to copy to the CSS folder, sorry. Just go to CSS and copy it here. And then we can copy the fonts folder here. And I think that's pretty much for Bootstrap. Okay, and then we close the extract folder. So let me just quickly show you the landing page that we'll be building. So we're gonna have this kind of landing page. We have a navigation bar here that we can click on, and also we have a main theme like carousel that we can flip around to show different pictures with text. And then we can scroll down. We have different categories that we can click. And then there's a footer here as well. So if we go to the Bootstrap and then click on these examples, there will be, I believe there is this one. So you just click on it. So you can see this is basically a template that I just show you guys in that music website. Okay, we don't need this features for our music website. So just right click on it, say real page source. So I just want to copy all this source code into our file. So just select all of them and then copy. Create a new file called index.html and then open it. So just let you guys know that for text editor, I'm using a text editor called Atom. So if you want to know more about this Atom text editor, it's basically a text editor developed by Facebook, and it's become very popular right now. Specifically, it has a lot of good features supporting different web frameworks like React.js and etc. And plus, it's free. So if you want to download it, just go to Atom text editor and then go to the website. So there you go, you can just download it, and it's a free. So basically, I find it pretty convenient and handy. And then the Outlook, looks pretty good to me as well. So yeah, I just use this text editor for now. Okay, so let me just show you this quickly. Let me just close this one for now, and then we right click on this one, and then we say open with Atom, and you can see there's a folder structure listed on the left menu. So if you want to modify any file, just click on it, and then you'll be show up. All right, pretty convenient. Okay. After we copy the source code, we need to do some modification on it. All right. So we just scroll down. So basically, for this course, I assume you have some of the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this is not a course about them, but I will try to explain some of the details when I used them in this course. All right. So if you have any question, just try to search online. There'll be a lot of information out there. In general, it's just pretty straightforward in my view a lot of times. So yeah, as long as you have some basic knowledge, you should have no problem to finish this course. Okay, so the first one we want to modify is this one. So you can see this one is pointing to bootstrap.min.css. We want to modify the path. So we just change it to CSS. And then here, we don't actually need those here. We're gonna just delete it. And then it's pointing to its carousel.css. So we just go to the source code of that template, and then click on it. So it basically just shows us the file, the content of that CSS file. Copy it, and then we go to CSS folder, create a new file, say carousel.css, and then we just paste in here. All right, close it, and then we're gonna change the path to CSS slash, and then we're gonna scroll down to here. It says the feature. We don't actually need those. We just delete this part. All right, and then we come to the end of this file. We can see there are some JavaScript link as well. So this one is actually pointing to a Google hosted online CD, and it's a jQuery. Okay, so I think we need to use jQuery as well. Let's go to the jQuery website, download it. jQuery. Okay, and then we just download jQuery. Go to download. We're gonna use this compressed production jQuery. All right, it's just one simple file. Find a file, and then we copy it to the JS folder, and then copy the name we're going to be used. So we modify this path to JavaScript and then change the name of it. Okay, so that's for jQuery. And also we need to modify this bootstrap.min.js path as well. So simply just delete this one. Okay, and then here we don't actually need those here. We just delete it. Okay, so I think that should be it so far. Let's see how does it look like. Open with the Chrome browser. There we go. Looks good. So see if we can flip it. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically the template you can see. Alright, I think that's pretty much for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.